Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to write a certificate to a Huawei device using ChimeraTool. The first step is to prepare the phone and connect it by test point. Once Chimera detects the device, you'll need to select the model. To do that, simply click on the model selection box. You can either type the model name directly or choose it from the list. Once you've found the correct model, click on it and wait for the phone to fully connect. Then, go to the Backup tab and select the Write Cert procedure. Check the IMEI certificate boxes and click on Browse. If you have previously performed a read certificate successfully, you can find these files in the Backup folder under the Brands folder. The files are named based on the model of the device and indicate which IMEI slot they belong to. Now select the first IMEI certificate labeled Slot 1, and then browse for the IMEI 2 certificate labeled Slot 2. You can only write certificates where the beginning of the model name matches. That means, for example, if your device is a POTLX1 model name, you can write any certificate from a POTA model into it. Once everything is set, click on Start Procedure. At the beginning of the process, Chimera will ask for confirmation, as this procedure will erase all data from the device. Click Yes to continue. Wait for Chimera to complete the process. This may take a few minutes. As you can see, the procedure was successful. The certificates have now been written to the device. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.